Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure here. I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall your taillights in the Toyota Tundra, and at the same time I'm going to show you how to replace a bulb. I'm installing some LED backup lights, so let's go do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got to loosen a couple of bolts before I pull the taillight out, and let me show you which ones those are. So it's this one right here, and this. These are the tools that I used. I've got a nylon interior trim tool, I've got a torque 30 and an extension and a ratchet. That's all I need. Okay guys, let's remove these taillights. First thing you do is you take your torque 30 and you undo these two little bolts. I just loosen them up first, one on the top and one on the bottom. You just loosen those up. You go ahead and pull those out. They're just little short ones. The taillight, in my case, will not fall out because it has two pins that stick into like these grommet type things on the inside. Both of those pins go this way. They do not go back. They go towards the inside. I use a nylon tire lever to pop those loose. There you go, just like that. So I'm only doing the reverse light replacement today with an LED. So let's do that. You turn this to the left and it pops right out. You just pull the bulb out, set that aside. As you can see, I'm wearing rubber gloves because oil on your hands and static can damage the bulbs. So I always wear gloves when I'm doing this. So the LED pushes in the same way. There you go. And you turn it to the right. Once you get the bulb down in there, and you do it very carefully, then the gray piece on top right here, you turn to the right and it just snaps into place. And then to put this back, you've got those two pins you've got to line up. They're really easy to line up. Show you right here. So we've got these two pins right there. We're going to line those up. Just like that. Then we can put these back in. And I will tighten them up. I'll just start with the top first. Don't over tighten them. You don't want to strip them. There you go. That's it. Now let's do the other one. Like I said, first thing we're going to do is we're going to loosen those two torque 30 little bolts. We're going to remove those. Then using the nylon lever, we're going to pop the taillight out because remember it has two pins that go inward. They do not go like this, they go this way. So I'm just going to pop that out from the bottom and the top. And then again, I'm going to show you what we do here. You can see this right here. Right here. I'm going to take that and I'm going to turn it to the left. Boop. And then the bulb comes right out. It's that easy. Then you can see this? You just pull that bulb out. Just like that. And I'm going to put the new bulb in, snap it in there, just like that. Then once it's in there, you're very careful about doing that. Then you just turn it to the right and it snaps right in, and that's it. Then again, You line up those pins. You see those pins right there? Put those in those holes. And it goes in. That easy. Excuse the sun, it's really bright today. Then all I do is I place those Torque 30 little bolts in there. Tighten those down. Then I'm all set. My old bulbs are just fine, so I'm going to save those. And here we are with the LED bulbs installed. You can see how super bright they are and how much more visibility they will actually give you. Well guys, I hope you liked that video on removing your taillights and installing a new bulb. For me, it was an LED to make it brighter when I back up. For you, it might be all of them go into the LED. They tend to be brighter and, you know, sometimes more efficient. I had problems in my Tacoma with the brake light LEDs, but that might have been just a fluke. I know a lot of people use them all the time, so might have just been me. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope it helps you if you're gonna do a project like this. Any tips that I might hand in, like using that little interior trim tool, that helps a lot. I use those for everything. But anyways, I've got more videos coming. I've got some storage type videos for the Tundra coming and some mountain bike videos. So please stay tuned. And if you would, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow. And I will see you next time. See ya.